Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got another unbagging for you. This is a mystery kit that I got off of Amazon, and I only gave $5.49 for this, I do believe. But before I get into that, I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers and to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you joining us. And if you are just passing through, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I would love to have you join my channel, and let's get into this. All right, so I was wanting a mystery kit. Now, I have done the, I think it's pronounced cat-eared mystery canvases before, which I did like. I loved them. Loved their drills. And I just haven't gotten another one from them. But as I was cruising through Amazon the other day, I seen this and I thought, well, I'm going to get another mystery kit. And I have no idea what this is, and I know there's a glare, and I am sorry. I can see that there is, this section right here is a little bit darker, so I'm not sure if y'all can see what this is, and you can tell. Don't tell me. Alright, so in this kit, you get a green boat, pink wax, pink pen, just a regular toolkit. So in this is a square. I didn't even realize that, but yeah. It is, it's a square diamond painting, and it does look good. So, all right, it's a 30 by 40, as you can see. And you know what? Pretty sticky. I'm just going to flatten this out just a little bit. Maybe. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera. All right. So, this has got 21 colors in it, and it looks like they are all, it does have the DMC colors on there, and it looks like everything's just random. There's numbers, there's letters, there's symbols, so we're going to get a little bit of everything. So, all right, let's look at these. Alright, so the kit number is on the baggies, which is also up here at the top. So I can put these somewhere else if I want to. So we have purples and white. And we have got some greens and some burgundies and some more purples. Green, some browns, some black or gray, some more brown. Ugh, I bet that's 310. Well, there's 3 bags of, what number is that? 15? Nope, that's 939. Alright, so there's the colors, and I'm not seeing anything really bad about the drills. I don't see any static, and they all look pretty good. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple that has a little bit of dent, but for the most part, these look really good. And I love squares, y'all. Not many people like the squares, but I do. I really do. Alright, so We're just going to sit this over here, and I'm going to bring you down, and we're going to look at the canvas drill field. All right, so as you can see, it is black and white. So we have no idea what goes where until we start getting on here, which I think is so cool. But it looks pretty clear. I'm not real sure why this section here, why the print is darker, unless it's just, you know, it was just a mess up on the print. But I don't think it's going to have anything to do with the canvas. And it might just be part of the canvas. I don't know. But I really and honestly, just looking at this, it's like I think I know. No, I can't tell a whole lot about it. And it could just be my lighting in here. But I do know with some of them, you know, they're called mystery kits, and they're black and white like this. But you can look at it and you can tell right off the bat what it is, because you can see the picture in it. But with this, I really can't tell. So, all right. Like I said, this is not from Cat Eared, but I forgot what company I got this from, but it was on Amazon, and it was only $5.49 for this canvas. And like I said, it's a 30 by 40, and it's going to be pretty because of all the purples and the greens and everything in it. So, all right, y'all. Well, that's all I got on this one, and if you think you know what it is, just don't tell me, because I want to be surprised. So, all right, until my next video, I hope everybody has a great day, and I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.